I'm gonna do my skin routine. First, I wash my face with a cleanser that I showed you before. I use 2 different types of cleanser. One made by my mom because she owns a brand, and one by CeraVe. I honestly just can't wait to change my hair. Ew, looks so bad. I'll use this acid. So I'm gonna change into my outfit now, and I'm gonna go for a walk. For a walk. I'm gonna go for a walk. Yeah, I'm gonna walk. Anyways, I'm gonna go for work, and when I get back home, I'm gonna start doing some work. Anyways, I'm gonna change into my outfit that I got from PLT. It's nothing really snazzy. Like, I literally just threw some of my clothes away because uni starting soon. I gotta buy some new clothes. Alright, so I just finished changing. I decided to wear something else instead because it's like 28 degrees and it's going to be 38 degrees today, so changing. And this is my outfit. 1 second. This is what I'm wearing. Something nice and comfortable because I'm not going anywhere fancy, so might as well. Plan out, YouTube video, walk, exercise, meal, dinner, and here is my script. This is my latest drawing that I did 2 days ago. This was inspired by jellyfish and like sea creatures. Oh my goodness, I love this so much. Got a few ones I've got this inspired by seashells. And that was from my friend, but I didn't finish it. Then I've got this, also inspired by seashells. It's a collection from this and this. This one is the main, and this is also the main. These are just ones for like the sake of it. This one was inspired by dragons, and here is just some other ones that I've got that I took inspiration from Pinterest. It's 2, and this is from my schoolwork. I think I've got some more here. I've got this one inspired by flowers, of course. And I am off to the gym at 4, technically almost 5 in the morning. I woke up at 4. Actually, I didn't really sleep, but anyways, I woke up at 4. Let's just say that. And again, you can't see anything. I don't know, maybe it's just a phone. Maybe humans have night vision and my camera doesn't have it. But there's no one outside, and also there's 0 people in the gym at this time, and it does open 24 hours, like 24/7, so that's one good thing. Right, I'm so tired, like I'm so bloated. I woke up, like I got up at 4 and like the bloating was gone, and then I drank water at 4:30, and then the bloating just came back like completely. So right now I'm really bloated, and I didn't want to have nothing for before I go to the gym. So I like grapes, but it's not even that much. I had almost what I had left. Anyways, guys, I'll see you at the gym. I don't think I record because I'm not there yet. My anxiety is not gonna let me. So I'm speaking really loudly because there's a few cars going by. But my anxiety would not let me record in the gym. But if I was to do like if I were to record my workout, I'd record them at home, even though there's no space for me to set the camera.
I wish when I first saw you, I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you, I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
Alright, so I just finished working out and I just got out of the gym. Now I'm heading to Tesco to get matcha powder and buy a new cup just for the aesthetics. It really helped me walking up here. I'll come to fix it, but wow, this looks like so good. I don't like it. Don't like this. Oh my goodness, I'm running out of breath. Wow, but the cups are right there. Harder. Oh my goodness, just not like that. Oh, this is so good. I just washed my hair. Yeah, the shrinkage is real. I mean, it's actually gone a lot better. Last time it used to be like this, but like now it's just like this is it. This is a lot. It's so soft as well. Love it. You know, the texture of my back is really like different. I've got like 3 different hair textures. Like actually I don't even know, 4C, 4B/C, and then 4A/B. Yeah, anyways, now I'm gonna be doing some drawings. I'm gonna get some inspiration off of Pinterest and we're gonna start drawing. Turn on the lights. Let me just show you real quick. This is what I've been working. I dropped this on my guacamole. Anyways, gonna be doing some drawings. Do you see that, man? Talent right there. Comment down below if I should start an Instagram account just my drawings. Anyways, let's get started.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, seen it right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you.
So this is what my next inspiration is going to be. Right there. I want to like take part of these and add it to the drawings, but I don't know how I'm gonna add that yet. I'm thinking maybe taking the little details and like the colors from within, and I'm trying to add that onto separate parts of the drawing. You guys can't see the body yet, but the body is there, which I'm gonna draw on later. But anyway, let me just try to add this detail.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get